Jazzy people, I'm hopping right into this video. So I have my peaches here. I am going to pour it in with the juice, 1 whole can in each pan, and then I have another can that I kind of pour the juice out, kind of drain them a bit. Of course, it's hard to just drain all of it because the peaches soaked in syrup, right? All right, so I just split that can up between the 2 pans, and I am going to add some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some allspice. And yes, I am using all of that cinnamon. Okay, and I eyeballed it, so use as much cinnamon as you want. I like to add the allspice just to give it an extra kick, because it does give it an extra kick of flavor and spice into your peach cobbler or your peach cobbler dump cake. And I'm adding just a little bit of brown sugar as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. You guys, the brown sugar is completely optional because, again, this is a dump cake, okay? And you guys, when it comes to dump cake, you can pretty much use whatever fruit that you want. If you want apple, use apple. You can make your own apple pie filling or buy the apple in a can. Who cares? Like, it's yours. You eating it. Okay, so I am using a box of cake mix. You can use white, you can use yellow, you can use the butter yellow, or was it golden yellow, or whatever. But anyway, this is just a box of white cake mix, and I use 1 box per pan, and I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out so that we can prepare to add the butter. But before I do so, I did add some brown sugar. I just sprinkled it around the top. That's just going to help it to come out just a little bit more prettier and brown with this butter in certain areas. And then I melted the 3 sticks of butter that I had, and then I'm going to add in some seasoning to this too, which is spices, not seasoning. I'm adding in some cinnamon. Yes, all of that cinnamon. We about to kick this off, and it's gonna be good, trust me. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. And then the cinnamon in your butter mixture is optional, and you don't have to melt your butter, because in my other video when I did the pineapple dump cake, I did not melt my butter. And usually when I do this, I don't either, but I just thought it would be cool to do it this way. And so I am just going to go ahead and split this bowl of butter mixture between the 2 pans, and then I'm just going to run it around just to make sure that all of it gets covered for the most part, majority if I can. And you guys, this is after it has baked for 25 minutes. I'm going to let it bake just a little bit longer, and voila, here we are. This beautiful dump cake. I did let it sit for about an hour after it got out before I decided to cut it. My daughter, she couldn't wait. She couldn't wait.
She just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home, but there's something about baby girl.
Okay, I am at work, but I'm gonna let y'all not hear my conversation. Okay. Y'all have to try this. Okay. The way that I made it, or if you make it different, regular peach cobblers, but this is just so much easier, and it literally just tastes the same. And while I wait on Bundt to ring, I am gonna eat this peach cobbler. I just roll past the side. Make sure you get some peaches, some whipped cream, or ice cream, whichever one you choose to eat. But I got peaches and whipped cream. It's so good. I prayed over it before I came on because I just did. But it's so good. Let me know if y'all try it. I linked the video down below because I did it without melting the butter and pouring it on top, where you just sliced up the butter. I did that one before. I think I only posted it on Facebook, but I linked the one to the lower. Oh, it was a short. That's what I linked. And then I'm also linking the pineapple dump cake that I made a while ago, which is really good too, but I definitely love the peach one better. Like, if you've been on my channel, or if you're new here, thank you, welcome. I did peach cobbler cinnamon rolls and a peach cobbler pound cake and another peach cobbler pound cake, and so the peach is where it's at, in other words. And it's something that everybody in my household likes. One of my daughters don't like strawberries, the other one don't like chocolate, so, and my son is picky, but everybody loves peach cobbler. All right, y'all. My whipped cream is low because it's warm. But thank y'all for watching. If you try, let me know. If you make dump cakes, different, the same, or if you use other fruit, let me know. I'll let her try it. All right, see you later.